Now, the second type of corpuscles present in the WBCs in the blood are WBCs. They are colorless and they are called leukocytes. Other name of WBC is leukocytes. Leukocytes are broadly divided into two categories: granular and agranular. Granular are further of three types: basophil, neutrophil, and eosinophils. Why they are granular? Because they have some special granules present in their cytoplasm. The WBCs, they are multinucleated, multi-lobed. They have multi-lobed nucleus. The neutrophil, the nucleus has many lobes, and eosinophils, their nucleus is this shape, and basophils, they have this S-shaped nucleus. These are the granular. Agranular WBCs are of two types: lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes, they have oval nucleus, and monocytes, they have the kidney shaped nucleus. But in both of these cells, the granules are absent. Now, the number of WBCs is less, that is 6,000 to 8,000 of WBCs are present per cubic millimeter of blood, whereas जो हमारे पास RBCs थे वो कितने था इनका नंबर 5 to 5.5 million of RBCs were present per cubic millimeter of blood. Their number is comparatively less. Now, neutrophils, they are most abundant and they form 60 to 65% of total WBCs, and basophils, इनका नंबर सबसे कम होता है, they form 0.5 to 1% of total WBCs. Neutrophils and monocytes, they are phagocytotic in function. They act as phagocytes, or they are phagocytotic in function. Phagocytosis is a process. phagocyte होने का मतलब क्या है कि they engulf the harmful bacteria or the foreign particles entering in the body. Engulf मतलब उसको निगल जाते हैं. What is the role of basophils? Basophil, they secrete some substances like histamine, serotonin, and heparin. Heparin is a blood which helps in, that is anticoagulant. It prevents clotting of blood. Histamine is produced during allergic reactions, and eosinophils, they help to resist these eosinophils, they help to resist infections in the body. Lymphocytes, they form 20 to 25% of total, and they are further of two types: B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. And these B and T lymphocytes, they are a major part of immunity system of the body, and they are responsible for immune responses. Now, third is the blood platelets. Blood platelets are also known as thrombocytes. The thrombocytes or blood platelets, they are produced from मेगाकैरियोसाइट्स. मेगाकैरियोसाइट्स हमने क्लास 9 में पढ़ा था. बेसिक टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, दैट इज़ द एरियोलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, जिसमें कि हमारे पास कुछ वी हैड द जाइंट सेल्स, द लार्ज सेल्स, 4 थे हमारे पास, मस्ट सेल्स, प्लाज्मा सेल्स, मेगा कैरियोसाइट्स एंड द एडिपोज सेल्स. तो ये जो सेल्स के फ्रेगमेंट्स के टूटने से जो क्या है, किसकी फॉर्मेशन होती है, ब्लड प्लेटलेट्स दे आर फॉर्म्ड. Blood platelets they are formed, and what is their role? They help in clotting of blood. और कितनी, 1.5 लाख से लेके 3.5 लाख तक platelets are present per cubic millimeter of blood. And if there is reduction in the number of blood platelets, it can lead to various clotting disorders, and there can be excessive loss of blood from the body. That is all regarding the blood, and tomorrow we will discuss with blood groups and coagulation of blood.